In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PayPal for Facebook Marketplace in 2025. This guide will walk you through the steps you need to take to easily set up and use PayPal when buying or selling on the marketplace. Whether you're a first-time user or you've been navigating through Facebook for years, these instructions are designed to be clear and straightforward, ensuring you get set up with minimal hassle. Let's get started. First things first, open a web browser and type in facebook.com. You'll want to log into your Facebook account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a glance at the top right corner of your Facebook homepage. You'll notice 3 horizontal lines or a menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you to a drop-down menu with various options, but what you're looking for is orders and payments. So simply scroll down and find it, then click. Now you should be on the orders and payments page. This section is where you can manage all your payment methods, track orders, and more. Here you'll find a button labeled Add Payment Method. Click on it to get started with linking your PayPal account. After clicking on Add Payment Method, you'll see several payment options appear. From this list, select PayPal. Choosing PayPal here indicates that you want to use your PayPal account for transactions on Facebook Marketplace. Once you've selected it, you'll be redirected to log into your PayPal account. Make sure your PayPal account details are current and proceed to log in. If this is your first time, PayPal might require you to verify your account, perhaps by sending a confirmation to your email or phone, just to ensure that it's really you. Follow the prompts to complete this step. Upon successful login, you'll be asked for permission to link your PayPal account with your Facebook profile. Read through any and all information provided by both platforms to understand what permissions are being granted. This is usually a straightforward process. You're essentially allowing Facebook Marketplace to use PayPal as a payment platform for your buying or selling activities. Once that's done, return to Facebook. You should see PayPal now listed as one of your available payment methods. You're all set. Whenever you make transactions on Facebook Marketplace, you'll now have the option to pay or receive funds through PayPal, adding an extra layer of convenience and security to your transactions. And there you have it, folks. Using PayPal with Facebook Marketplace in 2025 just got a lot easier. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for additional support. Thanks for watching, and happy buying and selling.